Best-in-class technical publication solutions from Solid Edge allow users to communicate products and designs quickly and efficiently with high-quality illustrations and 3D publications. Users can create custom templates or take advantage of predefined templates included in Solid Edge 3D Publishing. Single and multi-page templates allow users to quickly create product brochures or detailed interactive manuals. A wide variety of tools are included to edit illustrations and pages. Libraries containing a wide variety of process-specific images and icons are included to help make publishing quicker and easier. Custom views and configurations are automatically transferred from the Solid Edge 3D model. Users can choose to display internal details of the product by embedding sectional views. This allows better communication and understanding of the product. Illustrations can be animated to explain specific instructions like assembly or service operations. A wide range of outputs, such as PDF, HTML5, Microsoft Word, and raster or vector images, provides flexibility for downstream applications. The variety of output formats allows consumption on mobile and tablet devices. Associativity with 3D models gives users the flexibility to modify designs without the worry of creating multiple publications. Solid Edge Technical Publications provides the speed and flexibility to effectively communicate products and designs with customers. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.